Zola the fox was on a serious mission when she suddenly heard the silliest sound. A tiny, high-pitched giggle. Did that bush just giggle? Zola wondered. Pipkin the bird was terrified, shouting, "It's a laughing monster bush!" They quickly called in the big help, Stumpy the elephant. Stumpy leaned down to investigate. He reached his massive trunk into the wobbly bush, trying to save the trapped giggle. Stumpy pulled out a handful of leaves, but the bush was empty. Then Zola realized the truth. The giggle wasn't coming from the bush at all. It was Pipkin sitting on Stumpy's head, laughing so hard that the whole bush was shaking. Everyone shared a big, silly laugh.